Hello skaters! Today we are diving into a warm-up routine designed to sharpen your turns, steps and overall skating power. Whether you are just learning these moves or refining your technique, these warm-ups will prepare you to glide confidently and with more strength. In our exercises today, we're going to focus on working with your knee and ankle while executing all your turns. First exercise, 3-turn power pull bracket. You will start with left forward outside 3-turn. Notice how you work with your ankle and knee before, during and after 3-turn. After 3-turn, you're going to glide on backward inside edge, followed by power pull into backward outside edge, followed by left backward outside bracket, and transition after that into the second part of our exercise with forward inside 3-turn on your right foot, followed by backward outside edge. Continue with power pull, working your shoulders, knee and ankle going up during that power pull from backward outside to backward inside edge and backward inside bracket on your right foot. With freeze frames, you can see how precise your turns are and how close her free leg stays to her skating leg during her turns. After completing the first set, you're going to switch your feet with forward outside edge and start same combination from other foot. Right forward outside 3-turn, backward power pull, right backward outside bracket, step on your left foot into left forward inside 3-turn, power pull again, and left backward inside bracket. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more videos with brackets and 3 turns. The 3-turn power pull bracket exercise helps skaters by building strength, control and edge precision. This exercise emphasizes shifting weight between edges while maintaining momentum, which develops the lower body muscles needed for powerful glides and turns. Now we're going to reverse our first exercise and execute backward 3 turns with forward brackets. Let's look at this in slow motion again. You're going to start with a right backward outside edge into 3-turn, exit on forward inside edge, going into power pull from forward inside to forward outside edge, and immediately turn into bracket on right forward outside to right backward inside edge. Checking your shoulders before and after the bracket. Then you're going to bring your feet closer together for more powerful push into left backward inside 3-turn, followed by deep forward outside edge on the left foot, going into power pull from outside to inside edge and preparing for left forward inside bracket. After the bracket, you check your position with your hips and shoulders, keep your free leg closer to your skating leg, push into backward outside edge, switch your feet with another push into left backward outside edge and start combination from other foot. Backward outside 3-turn, power pull, bracket forward outside on left foot, push into backward inside 3-turn from right foot, power pull and forward inside bracket on your right foot. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more great tips and tutorials. Let's get back to our warm-up exercises with turns and steps. This is forward and backward inside rockers with Mohawk transition. We're going to start with forward inside rocker on the right foot, twisting into the circle and checking your shoulders after the turn on the right backward inside edge. Then you're going to step into left forward outside 3-step Mohawk, crossing with your left foot in front. After Mohawk, going into left backward inside rocker, exiting on the left forward inside edge, stepping on the right forward inside glide, and then start everything from other foot. Left forward inside rocker, followed by right 3-step mohawk, going into a right backward and side rocker, step into left forward and side edge, and start from right foot again. This exercise enhances balance and rhythm, essential for performance sequences with flow and confidence. Click on the link above or look in the description below to check out my playlist with rockers. Share your progress videos with me and I will review them to help you improve your skating elements. Now let's get back to learning next move. We're going to work on backward, outside and backward inside counters with Choctaw transition. Choctaw is a very difficult step to learn, and I recently finished my new video for beginners how to learn Choctaw. So check it out. Our first Choctaw will be right forward outside to left backward inside Choctaw, followed by backward inside counter on the left foot, exiting on the forward inside edge of your left foot and immediately executing closed Choctaw from left forward inside to right backward outside edge. Reaching with your free leg back and turning into right backward outside counter, exiting on right forward outside edge. And of course, I saved the most fun exercise for the end of our lesson. Forward twizzles with toe steps. This exercise is fantastic for building stability, maintaining flow, and increasing quickness. Plus, it's an excellent preparation for toe jumps. We're going to start with left forward outside twizzle for 2.5 revolutions, and then followed by toe step in opposite direction, starting with right foot, then step on the left foot, turning half revolution on the toe, and then cross in front with a right foot gliding on backward and side edge. Then we're going to step on the left forward outside edge and start with a right forward and side twizzle, again for 1.5 or 2.5 revolutions, exiting on backward outside edge, reaching back with your left leg, tap on the left foot on your toe, turning to the right half revolution, getting over your left toe, and then cross in front with your right foot, gliding on backward inside edge. Transition into left forward outside edge, switch your feet with cross roll, and then start exercise on other foot. Right forward outside twizzle, toe steps to the left, step forward on your right foot, and then execute a left forward inside twizzle, reaching back like you're going to do lat jump, doing toe steps to the left, and then step again forward to switch your legs. And that is a wrap on today's warm-up routine. By practicing these drills, you will not only warm up your muscles, but also develop the technique and power needed to master these essential skating moves. Keep skating strong, and I see you next time.